Tunnel, Fish Hook and Limb happen. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the southeastern city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 miles northeast of Princess Anne to near Morgan's Corner, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near northwest around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Ready Heights, Mount Pleasant, Princess Anne Plaza, Sigma, Sandbridge Beach, Oceana-Nez, London, Megan's Corner, Pungo and Oceana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.